Alright, so finally got the trim panel for those inflatable seat belts. The only difference that I see on it is this cutout over here on it. So I got both sides on it, one for the driver's side, one for the passenger side. They're just kind of like rubber piece on it. So if you want to know the part number, this would be for the driver's side. Then your passenger side will be this number here. And it's pretty straightforward. Alright, so here's what both of the panel looks like. Got the passenger side here, and you got the driver's side here. So like I said, the only difference is this cutout over here. So it's pretty much straightforward. You will have to pull this panel out. Therefore, this bottom panel can fit over here. And the top one, you don't really need to do anything just besides fold this back seat. Therefore, you can clip it into place. And you do have other little clip areas that I'll need to clip onto. Alright, so after you get it on, that's what it'll look like. Basically, like I said, that opening is for that seat belt to pull in and out on it. So now I just have the driver's side to do, and this will be pretty much finished up on it. I just need to still do the center seat belt for it. Then this whole job will be finished on it. So thanks for watching.